you out of balance, hanging in your thoughts like in a hammock? Still stuck in the last day and the last relationships or meetings? Okay, just hang there. Then take a deep breath in and a long out. Whatever was there, it's okay. Keep on breathing and arrive with your eyes closed in your heart. What do you feel here? Keep breathing. What does it feel like? Get away from your head, from thinking. Come into feeling, into sensing yourself. It is like you are just drinking an ice cold or a hot drink. You feel it flowing through your entire body. It's affecting your temperature. Not bad, not good. No dislike, no like. Just feel. Feel your heart. Invite the warmth and a smile. Whenever you need it, you're worth it.